Have you ever lost everything just because you kept saying, "I'll do it tomorrow"? This is the story of Raghav, a simple farmer who had everything a man could wish for. But one bad habit slowly destroyed his life: laziness. Raghav lived in a peaceful village with his family. He had fertile land, strong animals, and a happy home. Every morning, his wife reminded him, "Raghav, the crops need water." And every time, he smiled and said, "I'll do it tomorrow." But that tomorrow never came. Days passed. The plants started drying, the animals grew weaker, and the farm, once full of life, turned into dust. The villagers whispered, "Raghav had everything, but he wasted it all." But Raghav ignored them. He still believed luck would save him. One stormy night, Raghav's little son came running to him, crying, "Father, our animals are hungry. There's nothing left to eat." Raghav stepped outside and looked around. His crops were dead, his land empty, and his heart heavy with regret. He fell to his knees and whispered, "What have I done?" For the first time, Raghav realized laziness doesn't just steal your time, it steals your life. That night, he couldn't sleep. When the first light of dawn touched his face, he stood up and said, "No more excuses, no more tomorrows." He picked up his old tools and started working, alone. Day after day, he worked in silence. His hands bled, his back ached, but he didn't stop. Weeks later, the first green leaves appeared again. The same villagers who laughed at him now watched him with admiration. Raghav had changed, not just his farm, but himself. As he stood in his green fields beside his son, Raghav smiled and said, "Laziness is a disease, and discipline is the only cure." He learned that success isn't built in a single day. It's built when you stop waiting for the perfect moment and start working right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, because your future self is waiting for you to move.